The last three numbers on your ticket. Hey. Last three digits, 153. 153. Going what? Last three digits, 153. So your ticket number would be 381153. Going once. 153 going twice. All right. The next ticket, 381146. 381146. Come on up to the table and grab a prize.
The triple.
What do you want?
He wants the trimmer.
Oh, okay. I gotta get a picture with you, Mr. Trimmer. Did you see that? Billy took the trimmer.
Yep.
Oh no, I need to get a picture with you.
Hey, let's have it.
That's bad. I was like, that went fast. That's a craftsman. He's looking.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. Next, 381. 381148.
Hey.
Sister Betty, all right, you go up to the table, grab a gift. Yeah, okay, time right here. Choose the lights on. All right, next. Everybody got a ticket? 381151. 381151. All right, come on. Grab it, yeah, grab it. All right, he got a fan, okay. Congratulations, stay cool. 381157. 381157. 381157. All right. 381162.
Oh, I got 157.
You got 157?
31157, yes.
Come in,
Yes.
Boy, you almost missed it.
Hey, almost gonna count.
show that was my baby ticket. Y'all can get a bag, you can get Lysol, you get whatever you want, you get a dog, budget food.
Four brothers.
Okay, turn around, I need you with the book. I need a picture with the book. All right. 381165. 381165. 165. All right.
Take this fan.
Okay. All right, so we'll take a picture real quick. Thank you.
Congratulations.
381161. 3811, okay, okay.
I asked this very much. She's going to stay on. Oh, that's
All right, thank you. All right. 381147. 381147.
It's never too late to learn.
147. 381158.
Yeah,
381158. Then you got 157. Is that Noah?
No one? Yes, we got one by
We got stuff for kids too. I think you can take it too. There's some games or books. You want to pick something?
Somebody's parked right behind me. Somebody's parked right.
What color is it?
It's a big grade right here in the lane.
Okay. Somebody parked in the driveway? Is it, they just came in.
Oh, yeah, oh, okay.
In a trench coat.
Yeah, because
Then I told you that y'all can take care of that. All right. Y'all just have to take one. 381160. 381160. 160. Don't come back to this table, okay? So you can pick anything off the table. You can pick a gift bag or whatever you see there. Those boots are size 9. Those are men's size 9. Men's 9.
You're moving, okay.
They nice too. They narrow. So those are some nice boots. My Wolverine.
Shout out to the Wolverines.
He moved, Joni.
Excuse me,
He moved. He
168. 381168. 381168.
moved.
did it, okay.
Somebody's vehicle parked right here in front of the building.
He moved.
Oh, he moved, okay.
It was a van, right?
Vinegar and oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vinegar and pair. Yeah, hold on, I got this.
You girls need more cookies?
Okay.
Have a good day, everyone.
Yeah.
I'll take it from them. So they know we give you no booze. You gave us okay, it was wine vinegar. Oh, let me see your ticket. 381163. 381163. 381169.
Yep, right here.
All right, come on up. 169.
Everything over there.
Praise the Lord, praise the Lord.
So you get to pick anything off the table. You can pick a purple bag.
Oh, he only one that's.
No, she thought I had, she picked up and
While he's, you can pick anything, purple bag, shirt, shoes, I'll take that.
69.
Lunch bowl.
Nuh-uh, I'm going to smell good.
Okay, hold on, let me get you.
The Shea Butter.
All right, I got you.
Thank you.
381162.
Oh, me.
All right. You're welcome. What to get? All right, got your set. Awesome. Now you need to pick. Oh wait, turn it around so I can, there you go. Y'all can't have me looking like I'm Do it right, thank you. 381-167. 167. Okay, good. While she's coming, well, if you have 381-145. 381-145. Anything you want, bag, shoes? 145, no one had that? Oh, hang on. You bring your own to-go containers, she said I got one for the whole meal.
These white dishes, all the regular.
Some people let their tickets on my table, but they gone.
They gone, down they gone.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, that's okay. 381-159, 381-159. 381-152. 152. 164. 381-164.